Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to make use of the Arabic verb kana to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. فعل ماض ناقص, the imperfect past tense. فعل ماض ناقص, the imperfect past participle. So why do we refer to this particular verb to be imperfect or to be incomplete? It is because you can't make use of it with a name in Arabic and be sensible. The reason why a sentence is called sentence is because it makes sense. In the case of kana, you can't use kana with a name in Arabic and be sensible. For instance, if I may say, La'iba Ahmad, that means Ahmad has played. Does it make any sense to you? Yes, it does, because I have just informed you about the playing of Ahmad, which has taken place. Or if I may say, Yela Abu Ahmad, Yela Abu Ahmad, Ahmad is playing. Does that make sense to you? Yes, it does, because I'm trying to inform you that Ahmad is playing at the moment. But in the case of kana, if I say kana Ahmad, that means Ahmad was, and keep quiet. Does it make any sense to you? No, it doesn't. Or if I may say yakunu Ahmad, Ahmad will be what? So it doesn't make any sense. It is asking for something else to be attached to it before it can make sense. So this is why we refer to this kind of verb as nakis, imperfect. The question is, how do we now make use of the verb kana to suit the pronouns below? A kana simply means he was. A he in Arabic is huwa, which is the opposite of here, she. So how do we now make use of kana to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one, kana. So all you need to do is to attach ta'un carrying dhamma to the last letter. That is step one. Then you give sukun to the letter before it. Not only that, the kafun taking fatah, you turn it to kafun carrying dhamma. So kana will now become kuntu, which means I was. Kuntu, I was. You may ask me, there was alifun in kana. Where is the alifun now? You know, nunun is carrying sukun, and alifun was also carrying sukun. Remember, two letters carrying sukun will never meet in Arabic. So we need to do something. We must do something to avoid it. That was why alifun was omitted, because of the meeting of two letters carrying sukun at the same time. Ithnan, number two, nahnu, we. So how do we use the verb kana to suit nahnu? All you need to do is to attach na to the last letter. Then you give sukun to the letter before it. Not only that, the kafun carrying fatha, you turn it to kafun carrying dhamma. Kana will now become kunna. Kunna, which means we were. Kunna, we were. So, the shadda indicates duplication of a letter. The shadda there is only telling us that there are two nunun under me, as indicated in kunna. Kunna. It will be difficult for you to read two nunun. So to now avoid the difficulty, the two nunun have now been merged together. So you now read it as one. Kunna. Kunna, we were. Thalatha, number three, anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we use the verb kana to suit anta? All you need to do is to attach ta'un carrying fatha to the last letter. Then you give sukun to the letter before it. Remember to turn your kafun with fatha to kafun with dhamma. So kana will now become kunta, you were. Kunta, you were. Arba'a, number four, anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we use the verb kana to suit anti? All you need to do is to attach ta'un with kasra to the last letter. Then you give sukun to the letter before it. Remember to turn your kafun with fataha to kafun with dhamma. So the verb kana will now become kunti, which means you were talking to a single female person. Hamsa, number 5, here, she. So how do we change the verb kana to suit here? All you need to do is to just attach ta'un carrying sukun to the last letter. The verb kana will now become kanat, which means she was. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Al-istimal, now the usage. Wahid, number 1. Kana Uthmanu na'iman. Kana Uthmanu na'iman. Usman was asleep, meaning Usman was sleeping. Ithnan, number 2. كانت زينب نائمة. كانت زينب نائمة. Zainab was asleep, meaning Zainab was sleeping. ثلاثة, number 3. أكنت مريضا. أكنت مريضا. That means I was sick. كنت مريضا, I was sick. أنا مريض means I am sick. أنا مريض, I am sick. But كنت مريضا means I was sick. أربعة, number 4. كنا لاعبين في الملعب. كنا لاعبين. We were playing. في الملعب, at playground. كنا لاعبين. We were playing في الملعب at playground. خمسة, number 5. أكنت جوعانة يا زيد. أكنت جوعانة يا زيد. أكنت جوعانة. Were you hungry? يا زيد, زيد. أكنت جوعانة. Were you hungry? يا زيد, زيد. Remember, the nunun in جوعانة will never take double fataha or double dhamma. Rather, single fataha or single dhamma. خمسة, number 5. Na'am, yes, that is the response to the question. Na'am, yes. كنت جوعانة. I was hungry. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. 6, number 6. أكنت جوعة يا زينب. When you are talking to a single female person, you use جوعة. جوعان is for a male person, and جوعة is for a single female person. أكنت جوعة. Were you hungry? يا زينب, زينب. Now the answer. نعم, yes. كنت جوعة. كنت جوعة. I was hungry. 7, number 7. أكنت شبعانة يا قاسم. أكنت شبعانة. Were you full stomach? Shaban means not to be hungry. Shaban is the opposite of Jaw'an. Shaban did do Jaw'an. Akunta Shaba'ana. Were you full stomach? Ya Qasim. Qasim. Now the answer. La. No. Ma kuntu Shaba'ana. I was not full stomach. That means he was hungry. You use ma to negate past tense, to negate madin. Zahabtu means I went. Ma zahabtu, I didn't go. Jalastu, I sat down. Ma jalastu, I didn't sit down. Akaltu, I ate. Ma akaltu, I didn't eat. Sharibtu, I drank. Ma sharibtu, I didn't drink. And you use la to negate modaro, present tense. Azhab, I am going. Azhab, I will go. La azhab, I will not go. Aktub, I will write. La aktub, I will not write. Akul, I will eat. La akul, I will not eat. Ajilisu, I will sit. La ajilisu, I will not sit. Akraw, I will read. La akraw, I will not read. So you use ma to negate madin, and you use la to negate modaro. Thamania, number 8. Now the response to the question. Okay, now Thamania, number 8. Number 7 being the response to the question. La, no. Ma kuntu shaba'ana. I was not full stomach. Thamania, number 8. Akunti shaba'a. Were you full stomach talking to a single female person? Ya Maryam, Maryam. Ya Maryam, Maryam. Now the answer. La, no. Ma kuntu shaba'a. I was not full stomach. Which means she was hungry. La'allaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udrus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udrus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mudhakkarun, mu'annath. Mudhakkar. This is a word in Arabic that represents a male person or a male object. Mu'annath This is a word in Arabic that represents a female person or a female object. Wahid, number one. Marid, sick. You can only use marid to talk about someone who is a male. Maridatun, sick. Marido can only be used for a female person. Ithnan, number two. Naimun, sleep. Naimun, asleep. To be sleeping. Naim, someone who is sleeping. You use naim to describe them or to talk about them. Ana naim, I am sleeping. Hiya naima, she is sleeping. So naima can only be used to talk about a female person who is asleep. Thalatha, number three. La'ibun, playing. It is for a male person. La'iba, with ta'ul marbuto at the end, round ta. La'iba, playing, is for a female person. One can say, Abdullahi la'ibun. Abdullahi la'ibun. That means Abdullah is playing. But Aisha too, la'ibatun. Aisha is playing. Arba, number four. Jaw'an, hungry. It is for a male person. Jaw'a, hungry, for a female person. Hamsa, number five. Shab'an, full stomach, which means not hungry, is for a male person. If you are a male, you can say ana shab'an. Ana shab'an, that means I am not hungry. Ana shab'an, I am full stomach. But when a female person, you say ana shab'a, I am full stomach. This can only be used by a female. Sita, number six. Atashan, thirsty, to be hungry for water. Atashan, thirsty, to be hungry for water. Atisha is for a female. Atisha, thirsty, which means to be hungry for water. To be hungry for food is jaw'an, but to be hungry for water is atishan. Remember, the nunun in atishan, shab'an, jaw'an must not take double dhamma, rather single dhamma or single fataha, as the case may be. La'allaka fahimt? I hope you understand. Masha Allah. Subhanak Allahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Do not forget to go to the classroom, take your lesson, watching a single video clip, and revise it using the PDF file below it. Ma'as salama wa ila liqa'in akhar.